Hi, this is Home's Guide. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen essentials, starting with the search for the best food processor. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or a busy parent, finding the perfect kitchen companion can be a game changer. Stay tuned as we explore top contenders and help you make the right choice. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper, a powerhouse in the kitchen. With its sleek design blending black and stainless steel, this 10-cup wonder is a game changer for slicing, shredding, mincing, and pureeing. What sets it apart? The easy clean bowl scraper. No more frustrating residue left behind. It's a breeze to maintain, making cleanup a joy. Whether you're prepping ingredients for a family dinner or whipping up a gourmet dish, this processor is your trusty sidekick. Its versatility knows no bounds, effortlessly handling everything from delicate herbs to tough veggies. Plus, the ample capacity ensures you can tackle large batches with ease. Say goodbye to tedious kitchen tasks and hello to culinary efficiency with the Hamilton Beach Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper. Number 2. Cuisinart Food Processor, Mini Prep 3-cup, 24 ounces, brushed chrome and nickel, DLC2 ABC. This compact powerhouse revolutionizes meal prep with its versatility and efficiency. Its 3-cup capacity is perfect for small batches, chopping herbs, grinding spices, and even whipping up homemade dressings effortlessly. The brushed chrome and nickel finish adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop. With a simple push-button control for easy operation and a durable design that ensures long-lasting performance, this food processor is a must-have for any culinary enthusiast. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner cook, the Cuisinart Mini Prep DLC2 ABC streamlines your cooking process, making mealtime preparation a breeze. Number 3. Ninja NF701 Professional XL Food Processor, a powerhouse in your kitchen arsenal. With a robust 1200 peak watts, this 4-in-1 marvel tackles chopping, slicing/shredding, pureeing, and dough making with ease. Its 12-cup processor bowl accommodates large batches, while the 2 blades and 2 discs ensure versatile processing options. The convenient feed chute and pusher make operation a breeze, saving you time and effort. Crafted in sleek silver, it adds a touch of sophistication to your countertop. Whether you're whipping up a quick salsa or kneading dough for homemade bread, the Ninja NF701 delivers consistent, reliable performance, making it a must-have for any culinary enthusiast. Say hello to effortless food prep and goodbye to kitchen clutter with this powerhouse processor. Number 4. KitchenAid 13-cup food processor in stunning Empire Red. If you're seeking culinary convenience without compromising on style, this appliance is your kitchen's new best friend. Boasting a generous 13-cup capacity, it effortlessly tackles everything from slicing and shredding to pureeing with precision and speed. Its intuitive design ensures ease of use, with adjustable slicing discs and a multi-purpose blade that handle even the toughest ingredients with finesse. The sleek Empire Red finish adds a pop of color to any countertop, while its sturdy construction ensures durability for years to come. Say goodbye to tedious food prep and hello to culinary creativity with the KitchenAid 13-cup food processor in Empire Red. Number 5. Black Plus Decker 8-cup food processor in sleek black, model FP1600B. This kitchen powerhouse is a game changer, effortlessly slicing, dicing, and shredding with its powerful 450-watt motor. Its 8-cup capacity ensures you can tackle even the largest food prep tasks with ease, while the stainless steel chopping blade gets the job done efficiently. What's truly impressive is its versatility. From chopping veggies for salads to pureeing soups, this machine handles it all. The safety interlock system provides peace of mind, ensuring the processor won't start until the lid is securely in place. Cleaning is a breeze too, thanks to its dishwasher-safe parts. Say goodbye to tedious food prep and hello to efficiency with the Black Plus Decker FP1600B food processor. In conclusion, selecting the best food processor depends on your unique needs and preferences. Whether it's powerful performance, versatility, or user-friendly features, there's a perfect fit out there for everyone. Remember to consider factors like capacity, speed settings, and additional attachments to make an informed decision. Thanks for joining us on this journey to discover the top food processors on the market. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful reviews, and be sure to like and share this video with fellow food enthusiasts. Happy cooking!